And we'll stay with Gurugram. I also have to get used to not saying Gurgaon anymore. But after a delay of almost a decade, a portion of the Kundli-Manesar Palwal Expressway was finally thrown open earlier this month. We took a drive down the Palwal-Manesar stretch and also got some reactions from developers if this will turn around the fortunes of the micro markets which are Kundli, Palwal and Manesar. I'm repeating that again. Onita Moja takes this drive down.
This is the Manesar Palwal stretch of Kundli-Manesar Palwal or KMP Expressway, a stretch that was open for public recently. The entire road network of 153 km was to take 3 years. Instead, it took 10 to open just this 52 km stretch. Even if it's just 1/3 of the entire stretch, developers with projects along the stretch are enthused.
Opening up of KMP sends a very positive, I think a very positive move, and it sends a very positive signal to the market. It shows that the infrastructure that has been promised many years ago is finally coming into place. I think real estate wise it also makes a difference because it opens up the markets a bit more, and in fact the KMP crosses us just by maybe a kilometer ahead.
Vatika Group, another prominent player in the Gurgaon New Gurgaon belt, too expects to reap the benefits of the expressway.
KMP definitely would be a major milestone in terms of the real estate development as such, because there would be a lot of industries that would come up, there would be a lot of trade and commerce that would take place, and there would be a lot of people who would be coming over there and working over there, and they would be looking at locations nearby to stay, and what else than a township which has every amenity like Vatika India Next over here.
The KMP Expressway will drastically cut down the commute time for vehicles coming from Jaipur towards Faridabad or Agra. Similarly, those heading towards Jaipur and Mumbai from Agra or Kolkata will save a couple of hours at least, as vehicles will no longer have to go via Delhi.
Wherever we have to go to Palwal or Mathura, we had to travel all the way from Garden City to Delhi first and then go to Mathura. But now the route is quite short, and since this is operative, the traffic is also very less. So it has become very convenient for us to go there.
Real estate agents operating in the region expect property prices to go up by 15 to 20% in the Kundli-Manesar Palwal stretch once the entire expressway is ready sometime next year.
TDI has almost 6-7 odd projects over there with a complete TDI city, and then Ansal is there, Mapsco is there. So much of inventory is already available, which is yet to be utilized and yet to be filled. Then as far as Manesar is concerned, we have DLF available over there, we have Silver Glades, we have ABP over there. So there is a inventory already available or yet to be delivered. So I don't think there will be new projects upcoming very soon. Maybe when the delivery is done, then there will be new developers coming up over there.
For the first 2 months, users won't have to pay any toll for using this 52 km access-controlled expressway stretch. Later, cars will have to pay 1.3 rupees per kilometer, while heavy vehicles will have to pay 4.5 rupees per kilometer as toll charges. 4 toll plazas have been built to ensure that commuters pay for the stretch they travel rather than paying for the entire corridor. In Manesar, Onita Moja, NDTV.
All right, we will keep tracking all those large infrastructure initiatives around that area which are likely to give a fillip to a lot of housing projects on that corridor. But more importantly, they also end up easing traffic woes and making Delhi a cleaner city, so the traffic doesn't have to pass through New Delhi. On the other side,